すみません。なんかロックがかかってて、迷惑っぽかったので、ちょっと解除しました。
ありがとうございます。
How much you guys pay me if I break the code for this lock? You know I'm pretty good at figuring out codes. How much you guys give me to break this code? Now, I don't know what the code to this lock is, but I think I can break it. Okay. This thing is broken. I feel bad. I thought it was gonna take me like 10 minutes, dude. That was not luck, by the way. I know how these things work. Yeah, I'm gonna bring it to the station chief guy. I bet you this is some idiot would, park his bike right there and lock it. Right? Oh, I love these kinds of puzzles, man. すみません。なんかロックがかかってて、迷惑っぽかったので、ちょっと解除しました。
ありがとうございます。
そう。そこら辺にかかってたやつ。
はい、ありがとうございます。
暗証番号そのままなので。Isn't that like, I'm gonna start breaking all the codes across the whole city? That's gonna be like my niche content. Like where I break the code.